sneaks into a cardboard box, thinking it's the perfect hiding spot. Another cat notices and jumps on top, blocking the exit. The inside cat tries to push its way out, but the outside cat firmly holds its ground. Frustrated, the inside cat meows loudly, while the outside cat smugly declares victory, refusing to move. Finally, the outside cat playfully taps the box, teasing the trapped cat inside. After a while, the inside cat stops struggling, planning its revenge. Moments later, it bursts out with a sudden force, startling the outside cat into jumping off.